In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a shared inbox in Google Workspace. 5 minutes. A shared inbox in Google Workspace is built with Google Groups using a feature called Collaborative Inbox. It lets a team receive messages at one address, assign conversations, and track progress. You'll need admin access in your organization to set this up. First, sign in to the Google Admin Console. From the homepage, open Directory, then select Groups. Click Create Group to start a new group that will serve as your shared inbox. Enter a clear group name, a simple group email address your customers will recognize, and a short description so teammates know its purpose. Click Next to move into permissions. Set the access level to custom. This gives you precise control, which is crucial for shared inboxes. Make sure the option to allow messages from outside your organization is enabled. This is essential if you want customers or partners to email the address. Don't worry, this doesn't make your content public. It simply allows external senders in. For membership, set it to invited users only so only people you add can join and see messages. Finish creating the group. Next, head to Google Groups on the web. Choose My Groups and select the group you just created. Open Group Settings. This is where you'll turn on the shared inbox features. Find the setting to enable additional Google Groups features and select Collaborative Inbox. This unlocks tools to assign topics, mark them as complete, and manage workflows. Save your changes to apply the new capabilities. Now add your team members to the group. Give everyday users the member role and reserve manager for those who need to adjust settings or moderate content. Members will be able to collaborate on incoming messages, take ownership, and keep everyone aligned. If someone can't see or work on messages, double check they're added to the group and that your earlier external posting setting is enabled for outside senders. From here, messages sent to your group's address will appear in the group, and your team can assign, track, and resolve them directly in the collaborative inbox interface. If you notice external messages bouncing, revisit the custom access level and confirm external posting is allowed. If new members don't see content, confirm they've accepted their invitation and that their role is correct. That's it. You've created a secure, collaborative shared inbox your whole team can use to manage email efficiently.